I need to fill up my tank. I need to fill up my tank. Can you tell me which pump to use? Can you tell me which pump to use? Is this gas station open? Is this gas station open? Do you have regular gas? Do you have regular gas? Do you have premium gas? Do you have premium gas? Can I pay at the pump? Can I pay at the pump? Can I pay inside? Can I pay inside? My card isn't working at the pump. My card isn't working at the pump. Can you turn on the pump for me? Can you turn on the pump for me? I need a receipt, please. I need a receipt, please. Which way is the air pump? Which way is the air pump? Is the air pump free? Is the air pump free? I need to check my tire pressure. I need to check my tire pressure. Do you sell windshield washer fluid? Do you sell windshield washer fluid? Where can I find the restroom? Where can I find the restroom? Is the restroom open? Is the restroom open? Do you sell motor oil? Do you sell motor oil? Can you help me find the right oil? Can you help me find the right oil? Do you sell car chargers? Do you sell car chargers? Do you sell phone cables? Do you sell phone cables? Can I get change for the air machine? Can I get change for the air machine? Do you have a car wash here? Do you have a car wash here? How much is the car wash? How much is the car wash? Can I add a car wash to my purchase? Can I add a car wash to my purchase? Is the car wash open right now? Is the car wash open right now? Where is the entrance to the car wash? Where is the entrance to the car wash? Do you sell lottery tickets? Do you sell lottery tickets? Do you sell snacks and drinks? Do you sell snacks and drinks? Where are the cold drinks? Where are the cold drinks? Do you have a bathroom key? Do you have a bathroom key? Can I borrow the bathroom key? Can I borrow the bathroom key? Do you have diesel fuel? Do you have diesel fuel? Which pump has diesel? Which pump has diesel? Is this the right fuel for my car? Is this the right fuel for my car? Can you help me start the pump? Can you help me start the pump? Do you have a trash can? Do you have a trash can? Where can I throw this away? Where can I throw this away? Do you sell ice? Do you sell ice? Where is the ice freezer? Where is the ice freezer? Do you sell propane tanks? Do you sell propane tanks? Can I exchange my propane tank here? Can I exchange my propane tank here? Is there another gas station nearby? Is there another gas station nearby? Do you have a first aid kit? Do you have a first aid kit? Can you help me find the air pump hose? Can you help me find the air pump hose? My pump stopped working. My pump stopped working. The screen isn't working. The screen isn't working. I need help with the payment. I need help with the payment. I need help outside. I need help outside.